code trading system, and it's Saturday the 14th of March 2020, and this is the weekly analysis for spot gold and dollar yen for the third week of March. And as you can see, the spot gold after spiking through 1700 has fallen drastically all the way back down to almost reach the 1500 level. So that's a weekly drop of over almost 2000 pips. Let's look on the weekly time frame here. Yep, that's almost 2000 pips there. And let's take a look at spot gold. Let's look at it on the weekly time frame, taking the swing low of last year to the swing high of just right at the start of the year, and it did quite reach the 162 fib extension level at 1713, and just spiked through 1700, set a high for the year at 1703 for falling all the way back down to below the 38 fib retracement level, which is actually a 62 fib retracement of this swing move, and it's holding at the 50% fib retracement level now, closing at that. There could be a further bearish move next week to retest the 1500 level and the daily 200 EMA at just about 1496. So we'll see at the start of the week whether there's a slight gap down, test this, and then rebound back into perhaps retest this previous support. Now will be resistance. Alright, all these have been changed to resistance zones after falling through them, 1650, 1600, and then the nearest one at 1550. Alright, this is as the market was in turmoil for especially last week, with global stock markets moving to bear territory, with a lot of activity going on, and the US dollar has managed to try to recover and climb back up. So, and spot gold was unable to hold above the 1700, and momentum was waning, and that brought it all the way down. Alright, if it's able to recover, then it's got to climb up above this swing low at the 1550, 62 fib level to retest this next swing low at the 1560 level, or even higher. So it could consolidate within this area. If it falls through and breaks the daily 200 EMA, then it needs to test the 21 fib, which is actually the 78.6 fib fib retracement level at 1481, and further below there's the swing low for last year at 1445. So that will be the major support level. All right. This coming week, there's quite a number of US news as well, with the key one on Thursday or early Thursday morning, late Wednesday afternoon in US, with the FOMC scheduled meeting, and there could be expected further rate cuts of perhaps a further 0.5 basis points. They already made a surprise rate cut 2 weeks ago, so this scheduled meeting coming up could be another one, just to try to allay fears of further shocks to the market. On Tuesday, there's retail sales figures and housing figures on Wednesday, and then on Thursday as well, late after the FOMC. On Thursday night in US, or Thursday morning in US, there's the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, but all eyes will be on the Federal Reserve on their Wednesday afternoon to see what further actions they will take. Okay, let's move on to dollar yen. So dollar yen, after gapping lower at the start of the week, fell hard over 400 pips to hit a low of 101.18 before finding support and climbing back up to recover right to the daily 55 EMA and closing at the 108 level. So at the moment this is still going to be resistance, because there's a previous swing low here as well. Alright, there's a further support down here at the 262 pip extension. Alright, but it's managed to recover quite nicely and climb back up over 700 pips for the week. We'll see there's whether it's able to continue to recover and climb above this trend line and the monthly pivot back towards the 110 level, which is the key target zone. Alright, let's change this, correct this trend line back to the 110. Okay, so same thing, is needs to see what the price action is for the first couple of days, and then follow up with the FOMC meeting and their decision on rates, and as well as for the monetary policy actions as well. But we'll see if the market has stabilized after this volatile week. Alright, and also watch out for the news every day as the COVID-19 virus spreads throughout the world, and any major actions coming out from the White House, and we'll see whether the other nations will follow suit as well, and how the travel bans will affect nations across the world. Alright, so meanwhile, do check out my other videos on Euro, Cable and Aussie dollar, as well as the weekly Ichimoku analysis. And there's no midweek analysis as the markets are too fluid and dynamic. So do have a good trading week and a safe one as well, and cheers.